Hi guys, my name is Andres Chavez, and I'm going to be taking you through installation and maintenance for the Metatrader 5 repository, for the data folder repository, so that you can go and access all our previous changes and projects and actually use them on the Metatrader 5 platform. So first things first is to download Metatrader 5. That should be relatively simple. Just look up MT5, Metatrader 5, download it, and then once you open it once you install it and open it, you should have this window. I've cleared everything out that I've had, and you should just see this window right in front of you. At this point, what you want to do is go and click File and go to Open Data Folder. Once you get Open Data Folder, you should get this terminal up. And this is essentially all the files that control your current Metatrader window, all your expert advisors, all your scripts, all that sort of stuff is in here. So now you should close Metatrader 5. So once you've closed it, go back to your terminal window. By the way, I recommend putting this on quick access so that you don't have to go and search for it. You can do the terminal window because it's kind of a pain to get to. So once you do that, you actually want to go and clear out all this stuff. It's up to you whether you save it temporarily and then paste it back or just delete it. It doesn't really matter, to be quite honest, but I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. So at this point, what you want to do is actually do a Git Bash at this terminal location, right? So now get the clone URL from our repository, which I already have copied and pasted. So once you have that, you want to go git clone the URL. I did it off the develop branch, and you want to go put this period. Essentially, I believe that just makes it so that it's not in one folder. It just puts the actual repository in this folder without making it into another folder, because you need that. So you actually need the period for it to work on Metatrader. So it'll clone into that. At this point, once it's done, if you want to, you can go and paste back the files that you copied out of here. That's only if you want to. You don't really need to. So once you've done this, you can actually go and run Metatrader. And everything will look more or less the same right now, but you can have it open already. And now what you want to do is open another application that installed with Metatrader called Metaeditor. So, for example, if you want to use the Gordon Expert Advisor, you would have to go to Experts, E4T, EFDT, and actually open up this Gordon Expert Advisor, right? And compile it. It should compile all the signals and indicators that it uses automatically. There shouldn't be any issues, especially if you're on the developer master branch. There definitely shouldn't be any issues, but honestly, any of the branches that you use to go off of should be good. So now that we've compiled it, you just go here and click this little compile button. You can go back to Metatrader. Let's close all these applications really quickly. And let's see if it's updated. So we can actually see that Expert Advisors now has the E4T folder underneath it, EFDT, which is our team, and then we got this Gordon Gen 2 here, which is just our most recent version of the Gordon Expert Advisor. You guys might want to change some of the naming conventions that we did. So just as an example to show you that it works, I'm going to create this chart, this GBP, this British pound and USD. I'm going to change it to a 15-minute time frame. And I can actually go, or I should be able to go and apply this expert advisor onto it. You have to click allow automated trading, and you also have to allow it up here in this button, auto trading. And now it's good. You can see that it's actually working. It's actually drawing these lines incorrectly right now, but that should be fixed soon. So now you can see that it's working. On top of that, one of the things that you might want to try out is actually going to the strategy tester, which you can access by right-clicking the expert advisor and hitting test. The live market is cool because you can see what it's actually doing in the real world, but you would like to test out all the inputs and stuff. I'm assuming that you change on yours. So as you can see here, you're allowed to select the symbol, GBP, USD. You can go and see the 15-minute time frame. And I'm not going to run anything right now, but essentially you have all these inputs available to you that you can mess with, and you can run it and see what happens. And that's pretty much it for installation. You should be good to go with this. But yeah, let me know